Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be a very simple morning routine. So this particular morning I didn't have the kids with me, so I woke up to a very quiet house. I went downstairs and opened the blinds, and now I'm just giving my face a good wash, brushing my teeth, and I also had a bath because it was a nice slow start to the day. So this was a Sunday when I filmed this, so a little bit of a self-care morning where I can take my time and not rush into doing anything. I always like to make the bed in the morning. I feel like it is just so important for me to feel organized and a bit more put together for the day. I'll then head downstairs and do things like empty the dishwasher, let Rudy out, make myself a nice coffee and some ice water, that sort of thing. I then head back upstairs to get myself ready, put some makeup on. I was going out later on this afternoon, so I wanted to get this done and out the way. It was still quite early whilst I was getting dressed, so I just put something super comfy on for the time being because it was a little bit chilly, and went downstairs again to make myself some breakfast. I was making French toast for myself this morning with fruit. This is definitely not something I make every day. This is because it is the weekend and it's just a little treat and a little bit of me time just to have something a little bit more special for breakfast. after breakfast, I'm just going to sit and plan out my week. So I like to go through goals that I have for the following week, plans, things that I need to do, also just reflect on the week that's just gone, things that have worked well. And yeah, it just keeps me in check so I can just see exactly what I have got planned for the week ahead. And then taking myself out for a walk, which I absolutely love doing. I didn't take Rudy with me on this one because sometimes the bigger walks I like to go on, he is just not a fan of, so I will take him again later. But yeah, just a nice walk on my own, listening to music is just something that I really enjoy and is so good for my mental health. Then when I came home, I just wanted to do a bit of meal prepping. So I am just going to do some chicken and rice with some salad, really simple. And then that will last me for the next few days of lunches. Always find that Sunday is a really good day for doing a little bit of prep for the next week. I then headed upstairs to get changed again because I was going out and the sun had started to shine, so I was able to put on a nice dress. This dress was from H&M and the cardigan was as well. So yeah, that is where I'm going to leave today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little morning with me. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, and I would love it if you came back again for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.